Good afternoon. Welcome to Cook and Barbecue 24/7. Today I have a great barbecue recipe I'm looking forward to sharing with you. So let's get going and let's light the fire. Hey family, welcome back. Today we're cooking this 3-pound tri-tip just like a brisket on the Weber kettle. We're first going to cover it with a little bit of brown mustard to use as a binder. Hit it with some cow cover, some fresh black pepper, and at the end we're going to hit it with a little bit of cayenne pepper for a little bit of heat. Man, I'm excited. First time ever cooking a tri-tip. This is not traditional way to cook it, but we're cooking it just like a brisket, and I think it's going to be great. Just like that, she's all done. And now we're about to head to the grill, get this cooking indirect, get this thing going for about, I'm thinking about 6 or 7 hours. I'm going to let it run for the first 3 hours without even looking at it. About to light the grill and get started. Here we are. We have our charcoal lit. We have some hickory chunks getting this fire going. I won't open this lid again for another 3 hours. We're going to run anywhere from 275 to 300. And I got to turn the big side of the meat towards the fire to protect those edges. I think this is going to turn out good. Tri-tip cooking like a brisket. Here we are, family. We're at the 5-hour mark. The bark is set. I wanted a dark, crispy bark. Nothing's burnt. Man, it smells just like a brisket. I'm just curious about how the texture is going to be. Is it going to be dry? Is it going to be juicy? So here we are. I'm going to wrap this in pink butcher paper. I was a little bit confused how to wrap it because it's a tri-tip and it's shaped funny. But I think I did a good job. Got it wrapped. Got it back on the pit for another hour. And I'm going to sit back and let you guys watch it. Family, if you're enjoying this video so far, please hit the like button. It really would help the channel. And guys and girls, please tell me what's your favorite beef you like to barbecue. Is it steaks? Is it brisket? Is it tri-tip? Is it chuck roast? Or is it something that I'm missing? And that way we can get those included on the channel. Thank you. Here we are about an hour later, and all I'm doing now is sticking it with my temperature probe just to see if this meat is tough, is it tender, and man, it is tender. My probe is going in like butter and sliding out like butter in the thickest part of this tri-tip. I think we're on to something. I'm going to take it inside, let it rest on the counter for about 30 minutes, and then I just sat it in the oven for another 30 minutes while I was doing some stuff around the house. Here we are. It's time to unwrap. I'm going to get this sliced up, let you guys take a look at it, and we're going to go from there. Man, this is smelling so good. Man, she was slicing like butter. It was very tender, very flavorful. Here you have it, the finished product, a tri-tip cooked like a brisket. This really turned out good. I really like the flavors of the Cosmos Cow cover along with that black pepper and cayenne. This is a winner all the way around. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. Until next week, cook and barbecue 24/7.